I'm ready.
This is so cute.
I can see you from here.
Oh my god, I can see. Yeah, he even doesn't know what we're doing. Hai guys, balik lagi di BNay channel. So kali ini aku ditemenin bareng teman baru, and her name is Karen. So Karen, she's from where are you from?
Brazil.
Yeah, she's from Brazil, so she's basically our other Japanese look but Brazilian guest. And of course there we have our, hey, who are you? Are you new here? Oh yeah, our new guest. I think you can guess who is, like with a very big muscle.
Yeah!
It's Tiago! And Pasti? Yeah, so
Who's your... What's new again?
So who again? So today we're gonna play games namanya lidah keseleo games, or in English we call it tongue twister. So what you gonna do? Aku punya 3 kata lidah keseleo games yang bakal aku kasih mereka, nantangin mereka, dan masing-masing mereka punya lidah keseleo kata-kata dari negara mereka. Satu dari Jerman dan satu dari Brazil. So we will see who gonna be the winners. Guys, are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm gonna break your tongue.
I will twist your words.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, first one.
First one is gonna be on Indonesian. So, keledai makan kedelai di kedai.
Can you read again?
Yeah, keledai makan kedelai di kedai.
It sounds simple though.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you say it and at least twice. So,
Okay, twice.
keledai makan kedelai di kedai. Oh, I can do it.
What does it mean actually?
It means like a donkey eating a soybean in a restaurant, something like that, or like a small restaurant. Yeah, a donkey.
It's really specified that it's a small restaurant.
It is a kedai. It's like shop. It's like a shop. Yeah.
I'll go. I can go.
Okay.
I can go.
Okay, do it.
It should be twice, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter, like,
Nah,
it's how I feel. Keledai makan kedelai di kedai. Keledai makan kedelai ke kedai. Kedelai makan kedelai di kedai.
Di kedai.
Di kedai. It's hard.
I know, it's hard. Even for
Keledai makan kedelai di kedai.
Oh, not too bad.
Keledai makan kedelai di kedai.
Oh,
Nice.
Karen did pretty good. She need to
I
be
suck at this
faster.
game. What about you? You don't? Oh, yeah,
No, that's what
But it's still hard for you, right?
Yeah, I know. Like,
Okay, keledai makan kedelai di kedai. Keledai makan kedelai dimakan.
okay, let's do the final one now. Say it faster and twice.
I start first.
Okay.
Backwards.
Oh, yeah.
Keledai makan kedelai di kedai. Keledai makan kedelai di kedai.
Okay, that's good one.
Keledai makan kedelai di kedai.
One more time.
Keledai makan kedelai di kedai.
Yeah.
Keledai makan kedelai di kedai.
Oh, well, guys, Sebastian and Karen get 1 point. But at least Tiago give a try now. Next.
Okay, so the next one is German tongue twister.
Okay, this is German one.
So it goes Fischers Fritze fischt frische Fische.
Oh my god. Are you serious? Sure.
It's like Fischer. Like, I know it doesn't sound like that, but it sounds like Fischer.
Yeah,
Oh,
it
yeah.
sounds like that.
The Fischers, like Fritze is a name, so like the Fischers
The Fischers
helper
Fritze.
or employee Fritze, he's fishing fresh fish.
Yeah,
That's already easy hard in English. Fish, fresh fish.
yeah, exactly. Fisher, Fritz, fish. Okay.
You saying it in English or
No.
German? Yeah, right.
Let's see. Let's see against the big card.
Tiago.
It's my time to shine. Jesus Christ. Okay, wait. Calm down. Fisher Fritz, fish.
That was almost perfect, but
That
you
was
stopped.
cool,
So,
though.
yeah.
Fisher Fritz, Fisher Fisher.
Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds really
Sounds
good.
pretty close now.
Nice.
Okay, is this
No
the-
offense, no, that's it. Sorry, nice.
So
Okay.
now,
Fisher Fisher.
so final one who gets it.
Final
No,
time.
oh Jesus.
You
Okay.
dare to try it first one? Okay.
Focus.
Fish. Stop! It's wrong. Fisher Fritz, Fisher Fish.
Fisher's fish.
That sounds good. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Oh, that's mine. Whew. Okay. Fisher Fritz, Fisher.
That was all good. Actually, all three of you were pretty good. So I would say everyone gets a point.
Yay! That was pretty good.
You want to have like 2 points or 1? So it's 1, 2, 1, 1, right?
Yeah, exactly. So,
Yes.
so the word is
Oh my god.
engkau ulung guling ulang ulas suling. Yeah. So
Ulung, guling,
Engkau.
ulang,
Ulung,
ulas,
Engkau
uling.
guling ulas.
yeah.
When you read it back, it's like super simple, right?
Yeah.
But like,
Yeah, no, the problem is that like because you think you sound wrong.
Yeah.
Because it's a lot like lunga, and then
Engkau
you're just like I think I'm like doing wrong.
Yeah.
engkau ulung, guling, engkau ulung, guling, ulang, ulas, suling. Oh my god, that's like too many words.
Even faster.
Still, yeah.
Engkau ulung guling ulang ulas suling. That's fast.
Wow.
Guling ulang ulas
Suling. Yeah, pretty much like that. Good one. Vichy? Engkau ulung guling
How is the first word again? Engkau.
It's an
Engkau.
N. Engkau,
Engkau.
yeah.
Okay. Engkau.
Engkau, yeah.
Engkau. Engkau ulung ulas suling.
Yes. So let's do the final one.
Okay.
Who wanna try first?
That
I'm
one's.
gonna try.
Jerry's gonna start.
Okay.
Engkau ulung ulas suling.
Yeah.
Was it correct?
Yeah, that was correct.
Wow, that was good. That was
And that's
fast.
pretty fast, yeah. Yeah, scared.
Drop the mic.
Engkau guling ulang ulas suling.
Yeah, go
Wow.
sling. That's good. You can do it. You can do it.
Okay. Engkau ulung, guling, ulang, ulas, suling.
Yay! So you guys, each of you get 1 point. That was pretty good though.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Girls, now we do the Brazilian one.
Look at the size of this thing.
Yeah.
Why do you think that this is like gonna be really difficult? We're gonna say in Portuguese.
Okay.
Aranha, arranha, aranha, aranha. Nem aranha, arranha, nem aranha, arranha, aranha.
Is that the one?
Yes. What?
It sounds like you.
So, like, you say,
Aranya,
the spider scratches the frog.
Okay.
The frog scratches the spider. If the spider doesn't like scratch the frog, the frog not gonna scratch the spider.
Okay.
So this is how it goes. Okay, so I will do like
Aranya,
yeah. So it's like aranha, arranha, arranha, aranha. Nem aranha, arranha, nem aranha. It's not for me. Nem aranha, aranha.
Can you even do it? Yeah, well, this.
Aranha, aranha, aranha.
It looks weird, right? It looks like we just
I
like.
even don't know where was he.
I'm so glad it's your turn before mine. I want to look so
Oh my
bad.
god. Okay. Aranya, I can't do that. I'm so bad. No, it's difficult though. You give it a try.
Oh my god. Okay.
I think it's hard.
Aranya, khanya, khanya, aranya, nem aranya, khanya, nem khanya, aranya.
It's
What
good.
the-
It's actually good. It's actually good.
Yeah.
It was actually good.
Okay, is this the final?
Yeah, the final.
Aranya, khanya, khanya, aranya, nem khanya, nem khanya, aranya.
It's good.
That.
It's good? It's actually good?
Hey, you might be bad. Aranya, nem Okay, I know I didn't say it.
No, it was good. It was
Yeah?
good.
It was
It's
better.
because
Oh.
this thing you're doing really good, and then you kind of gave up here.
Yeah.
But it was good. It was good. It was actually really good. Until here, I was like, oh, look at that.
Me too.
Okay, so she punches. Okay, if she punches, we call FBI.
Come on!
aranha, 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 aranha.
Wow. That was good.
Yeah, that was good.
Aranha, 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 aranha. Aranha, 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 aranha.
Is that on?
That was it. That's
Ah,
on
you,
Aranha, yeah.
you made something.
I hear.
Wait, you missed that one? Oh.
It's hard. It's hard. Like,
So who gets point?
points. You have a point.
Oh,
Yeah.
You have a point. You did actually.
He
You
was
did it good.
pretty
Like
good.
all the time. You did good.
Yeah, he did pretty good.
It's fair enough.
I agree. So like Karen and Basti
Basti
get
got
points. Yay!
Yeah, okay.
It's really hard. So this one is hard. So this one you have to repeat to saying it because that's the funny of it. Tongkat, kontak, tongkol.
It's only 3 words.
Yeah, but you have to repeat it. You have to say it twice and fast. So that's when I can tell if you say it right or you go into the trap.
Tongkat, tongkol.
Don't good.
Shut up, Taco. Okay.
Tongkat, kontak, tongkol.
Tongkol, yeah.
Tongkol.
Yeah.
Tongkat, kontak, tongkol. Tongkat, tongkol. Tongkol.
You fall to the word. So the best words is kontol.
Tongkat,
Tongkat, yes.
tongkat, kontak, tongko.
Yeah.
Tongkat, tongko.
Nice try.
Teka.
Tongkak.
Tongkat.
Tongkat, konkak, tongko.
What did you say? Tongkat, kontak, to go.
Tongkat, konkat, tongko.
Konkat.
Contact.
Kontak, yeah.
Yeah. Tongkat. Okay, let's move to that.
Let's give like
That's
the
somehow,
balance.
this one feels harder even than
It
the Brazilian one. Even though the Brazilian one was like 3 lines and this is
Yeah.
only 3 words. Tongkat, kontak, tongkol.
Yeah.
That's how it should be, right?
It's
But
how
like
it should be, but
Okay.
faster.
Tongkat, kontak, tongkol. I said tongkol.
Yes, I know. So you just need to punch it.
Tongkat, kontak, tongkol. Tongkat, kontak, tongkol.
Yeah, that is the word that's pretty good.
Okay, yeah.
To be faster.
Tongkat. Tongkat, konkat, tongko. Tongkat, kontak, tongko.
It's just
Like
the
to
same
go?
word. Yeah. Tongkol, to go.
To go.
Like to go.
Tongkat, kontak, tongkol, tongkat, kontak, tongkol. Was that okay?
Yeah, the second was slower.
Okay, who's the best?
The best is Karen because like she at least said everything's correct. So yeah.
Means Karen wins in the end.
Yeah, Karen is the winner. Sorry, T, to go. So guys, this is our game, the tongue twister, the lidah keseleo, dan ternyata emang gak gampang dan pemenangnya adalah Karen. Yay! Yeah, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.
Okay, bye.